Do you want to know how you can download and install Photodirector on your iOS? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download and install your Photodirector on your iOS device or your iPhone. Go ahead and go to your App Store and go to your search bar on the top or your bottom left hand corner. Go to the search bar and then search for Photodirector. Now tap on Photodirector and then click Get. Authenticate your identification, and in a while you can notice that Photodirector has been started to download. In a while it will be installed and you can start editing photo with the AI photo editor. I hope this video about how you can download and install photo editor or Photodirector on your phone was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.